How to check if your iPhone has a virus and remove it. In this video, we're going to see how to check if your iPhone has a virus and what you can do to remove any suspicious apps, files, or malware in 2026. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General, then scroll down and select VPN and Device Management. If you see a profile you don't recognize, especially one that isn't from your work or school, tap it and remove it. Next, go back to the main settings page and tap Battery. Select View All Battery Usage and look through the list of apps. Make sure you recognize the apps using your battery. If you notice an unfamiliar app, investigate it and remove it if necessary. Also, check your cellular data usage. Go back to Settings, tap Cellular, and scroll down to see which apps are using your mobile data. Tap Show All and look for anything you don't recognize. Now, go back to General and select iPhone Storage. This shows all the apps installed on your iPhone. Look through the list and remove any unfamiliar apps. You can also sort the list by last used date to find apps you haven't used recently. After that, go back to Settings, General, Software Update, and make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Also, turn on automatic updates so your device can receive important security updates. Finally, if you still suspect something is wrong, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. You can first try Reset All Settings. As a last resort, you can choose Erase All Content and Settings, but make sure you have a recent backup before doing this. These steps can help you identify and remove suspicious apps, files, or unwanted configurations from your iPhone. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.